In today's video, I'm going to teach you about common mistakes that new Windows users often make, which can impact the maintenance, security, and organization of their systems. Avoiding these pitfalls is key to optimizing your PC for better performance, stability, and security. Let's start by addressing some of the most frequent errors and how you can steer clear of them. One major oversight is neglecting those crucial security and software updates. Many people tend to see these as interruptions and put them off. However, it's important to understand that these updates are vital as they deliver patches for security vulnerabilities and bug fixes to protect your system from cyber threats. The simplest solution is to enable automatic updates for Windows, allowing them to install overnight when you're not using your computer. Remember, it's also important to keep your third-party applications, such as web browsers, PDF readers, and Office tools, updated frequently. This practice ensures a robust defense against potential cyber attacks. Next, we move on to the subject of data backups. Many users fail to recognize the importance of regularly backing up their data until it's painfully too late. A sudden hardware failure, theft, or ransomware attack can result in the loss of vital files, which can be both heartbreaking and costly. However, setting up a reliable backup strategy doesn't have to be difficult. You have options like automated cloud storage services, such as Microsoft OneDrive or Google Drive, or you might prefer using an external hard drive. Ideally, a combination of both gives you peace of mind that your data is safe no matter what. Moving on, let's talk about account security. Often, users operate with an administrator account by default. This means any program or malware that a user accidentally runs has full control over the system, making it quite vulnerable. A better approach is to use a standard user account for daily tasks, and only switch to an administrator account when you need to install software or make system-wide changes. This method effectively limits the extent of any possible damage from malicious software. Another common mistake is allowing too many unnecessary programs to run at startup. This not only prolongs boot times, but also consumes system resources in the background, leading to slower overall performance. To tackle this, you can utilize the Windows Task Manager. By right-clicking the Start button and selecting Task Manager, you can navigate to the Startup Apps tab. From there, review your list of programs and disable any that aren't essential for your routine tasks. This will help your PC run more efficiently. Lastly, let's touch on desktop organization and file management. It's tempting to save all your files straight to the desktop or downloads folder, but this quickly leads to clutter and confusion. Not only does a cluttered desktop slow down boot times, but it also makes locating files a hassle. To combat this, develop a consistent file organization system. Create logical folders within your Documents directory, categorized into areas like Work, Personal, and Projects. Moreover, keep your desktop tidy by reserving it for shortcuts to applications you use frequently. Regularly use Windows' built-in disk cleanup tool to clear out temporary and junk files that accumulate over time. By consciously avoiding these common mistakes, you can enjoy a smoother, more secure computing experience.